So in this video, we are going to be looking at how to make client enquiries. So to do that, we click on this client enquiry button to open this new window. You click on this window. So let's say you want to make enquiries on all customers. You select all customers. And then you come down here to select the report type. That's the type of enquiry you want to make. So you click on it. Let's say you want to view the profile summary of all your customers. So you click on profile summary and then you click on all customers to show the reports on all your customers. Let's say you want to have another report type. You click on it and you want to have the subscription profile of all your customers. So you click on subscription profile and then click on all customers and then it shows you the subscription profile of all your customers. For example, Rebecca Luke. You can see the status of the subscription has been suspended. So you also come back here to change the report type. Let's say you want to see the purchase history of all your customers. And you click on it, all customers. You realize I have James Harden, item bought 60, sales value, this price, and then the last purchase is today. So this is how to make client enquiries on SmartSale. You just come back here and select the report type you want. And then you click on all customers or the name of the customer. Thank you.